The State Forestry Enterprise Smyadovo is located 25 kilometers from the city of Shumen and 100 kilometers from the city of Varna, at the foothills of the Eastern Balkan Mountains. The enterprise covers an area of 17,000 hectares, including 4 protected sites that are part of the European ecological network Natura 2000. These include the protected sites Kamchia Emine Eco Corridor, Rishki Prohod, and Provadiysko Royaksko Plato, designated for habitat conservation, as well as Provadiysko Royaksko Plato, designated for the protection of bird species. Within these protected areas are found some of the most valuable types of natural habitats, including the focus of this video, 91M0 Pannonian-Balkanic Turkey oak sessile oak forests. From an administrative perspective, the State Forestry Enterprise Smyadovo is part of the Northeastern State Enterprise Shumen. The region is remarkable for its rich biodiversity, and the migratory corridor Via Pontica also passes through the experimental forest stand. In the selected forest stand, in November 2025, an activity aimed at assisting natural regeneration was carried out, during which the understory vegetation was removed. The silvicultural activities were implemented as part of a project under the Environment Programme 2021 to 2027, aimed at maintaining the sustainability of the target natural habitat. The forest is 95 years old, with its main tree species being Turkey oak, sessile oak, and Hungarian oak. The species diversity is further enriched by field maple, European hornbeam, and oriental beech. The boundaries of the forest stand are clearly defined: valleys to the south and north, a ridge to the east, and a forest road to the west. The aim is to provide space and light for the seedlings of ecologically and economically valuable species suited to this specific type of natural habitat. Within an area of 90 decares, the understory vegetation of oriental hornbeam was removed. During the work, hand tools were used to cut individual stems. For some individuals with stem diameters up to 2 centimeters, the bending method was also applied. This method aims to slow down the regeneration of the understory vegetation through root suckers. This provides additional time for the young seedlings to achieve a head growth and ensure the sustainable development of the young forest. An area of 10 decares from the total forest stand is planned for work in 2026, and this section of the forest is permanently marked on the ground. In this area, the silvicultural activities will be carried out using specialized equipment, a forest mulcher. The goal there is to simultaneously remove the understory vegetation and cultivate the soil, creating favorable conditions for natural regeneration as the parent stand begins fruiting in the coming years. The forest area in the region, covering over 2,000 hectares, preserves the 91M0 Pannonian-Balkanic Turkey oak, sessile oak forests habitat, which is home to a wide variety of plant and animal species. In the forest stand featured in this video, several experimental plots have been established to monitor the development of the understory vegetation over the coming years. In experimental plot number 1, the understory vegetation was removed using hand tools at a height of 50 centimeters, while in experimental plot number 2, the understory vegetation was again removed using hand tools, but this time at a height of 10 centimeters. In another section of the forest stand, experimental plots number 3 and number 4 have been established. In these plots, the understory vegetation was removed at 2 different heights, this time using a specialized brush cutter. The purpose of the experimental work is to collect representative data on the most suitable method for removing understory vegetation in the target habitat which is part of the European ecological network Natura 2000. The image clearly shows the condition of the understory vegetation in the area planned for treatment with a specialized forest mulcher, where natural regeneration is completely absent. After the silvicultural activities are carried out, favorable conditions will be created for the natural regeneration of the forest in this area as well. Carrying out silvicultural activities to manage the forests and support natural regeneration is of utmost importance to ensure the sustainability of the respective protected areas and habitats, which in turn will preserve biodiversity both in the region and across Europe. In 2026, in another nearby forest stand, 9 different methods to support natural regeneration are planned to be applied together for the first time. Some of these methods include sowing acorns of Turkey oak and Hungarian oak under the canopy, a zone for partial cutting of understory stems, a zone for stem bending, a zone for applying the Saarland method, a zone for mechanized shredding of the understory vegetation, and others. To be continued.